In this video I'm going to show you how to go about fixing a stuck button on a DSLR camera. This is a Canon EOS 1300D which I picked up on eBay is not working. It powers on okay and takes photos, but the white balance or down arrow button is permanently pressed down. All of the other buttons, when you press them, there's a nice click, but with the white balance button it just doesn't move at all. It's completely stuck. So to fix it, I'm going to be using some 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. Taking a Q-tip, I'm applying lots of alcohol to the tip because I want it soaked with a lot of liquid. Then move it around the area at the edge of the buttons so that the liquid seeps down into the gap between the edge of the button and the shell and works its way underneath to hopefully dissolve whatever's keeping the button stuck down. While doing this, I'm also repeatedly pressing the button to try and help free it up. Since alcohol dries very quickly, you'll need to keep applying more alcohol to the Q-tip as you work. And then keep applying it to the edge of the button so that it seeps down into the gap. After just 2 or 3 minutes of this, the button's already beginning to free up. Another thing you can try is to cut out a thin strip of paper, dampen it with isopropyl alcohol, and slide it into the gap at the edge of the button to clean off any residue that's causing the button to stick, working it backwards and forwards. Now the button moves freely and there's an audible click when the button is pressed. So it's time to put in a battery and confirm that the camera is working. As you can see, I can move up and down in the menus now without any problems, so the button's working fine. I hope you found this video useful. It was a very easy fix and took less than 5 minutes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.